The next 5 minutes. I have something for you and by
Wow!
on behalf of Golden Actually Events.
Okay.
Thanks for
Amazing.
hiring us, picking us to be your wedding planner, taking all the stress for you. And I had your friends sign it, so everybody has one or two real messages to
Yeah, that's serious. Why you saying so much? Happy married life, darling. Continue to stay close to God. Surrender everything to Him in prayer, and He will never fail you. May God bless your union, and a big congrats to you and Google. Love you, Bessie.